How to complete the tutorial in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game on your device and you will be taken to the tutorial mode, which is designed to help beginners understand the basic controls, game mechanics and mission objectives. Start by learning the movement controls. Use the joystick to navigate your helicopter smoothly and avoid obstacles while keeping your focus on targets. Precise control is key to completing the tutorial successfully. Next, practice aiming and shooting. The tutorial will guide you on how to lock onto enemies, fire weapons effectively and manage ammunition. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to master combat techniques. During the tutorial, you will also learn how to use special skills and launch missiles to deal with tougher enemies. Pay attention to the objectives displayed on the screen. Completing each step in order will unlock the next part of the tutorial and prepare you for real missions. Collect any available rewards and power-ups along the way to strengthen your helicopter. Finally, once all tutorial objectives are complete, you will have a solid understanding of the basic controls, combat strategies, and mission navigation. Now you know how to complete the tutorial in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.